Hello, artists! Have you ever woke up, logged into your YouTube analytics, and felt your heart sink as your YouTube views dropped overnight? You are not the only one here. Today, we're exploring the reasons why views on YouTube drop, how to correct it, and how to get your videos popular once again. Comment below if your video views have recently fallen before we start. Let's grow together by means of shared experiences. I uploaded what I thought would be a huge hit, but my YouTube views fell off after the first 48 hours. My click-through rate fell below 2%, and my audience retention dropped to 30%. It seemed as though the YouTube algorithm had left me, but after months of testing, I found the real reasons behind the drop in YouTube views. Today, I'll share them with you. First, let's divide the most frequent causes. 1. CTR or low click-through rate. Less people click if your titles and thumbnails on YouTube aren't captivating. The CTR is absolutely important. A compelling thumbnail design and an excellent YouTube title can really bring back a dying video. 2. Low audience retention. The YouTube algorithm gives videos that keep people watching top priority. Your video stops being suggested if your watch time is low. Focus on enthralling viewers in the first 15 seconds and on storytelling. 3. Algorithm changes. The YouTube algorithm update sometimes changes overnight. Last month's success might not translate today. Remaining current is essential. 4. Seasonality and trends. Certain subjects naturally decline in interest. For instance, if your video is about holiday stuff, views will drop after the season is over. 5. Audience saturation. Your viewers quit participating if they have seen too often identical content. Always seek fresh video ideas and original perspectives. 6. Competitiveness. Your visibility could fall if rivals start posting better video material. You must continually increase video engagement and quality. 7. Notifications. Fatigue. Your subscribers do not get alerts if viewers switch off notifications. Encourage them to click the little bell. 8. Inconsistent upload schedule. Uploading indiscriminately perplexes the YouTube algorithm. Consistency fosters channel authority and helps to create trust. Right now, you might do these things to get back those views. Improve thumbnails and titles. See every video title elicit interest and every YouTube thumbnail pop. Use power keywords like how to, secrets, or top 10. Enhancement of watch time include hooks and teasers in the opening minute. Divide material into pieces to maintain good viewership. Request engagement. More comments remind YouTube that your stuff is worthy, so if this is aiding you, write below. What is your biggest obstacle with YouTube views? Alter metadata. Include a strong description and pertinent video tags and keywords. This aids the YouTube search engine evaluate your content. Use playlists to increase session length and keep viewers binge-watching your channel. Arrange videos into YouTube playlists. Leave a remark and let me know what approach you're going to try first if you have picked up anything fresh thus yet. Your comments guide me in producing more engaging videos for you. Look, even the largest channels lose views. YouTube's development is never linear. The variation is, successful artists never give up. They consistently update, edit, and upload. Think this. Next month, your YouTube channel reappears on the recommended feed. Your ideas soar, your followers increase, and your material starts going viral. It is feasible, but you must act today. Subscribe, enable the notifications bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it worthwhile. It really lets the YouTube algorithm realize you prefer more material of this kind. Comment below so we might create a community of artists supporting one another. I would love to hear from you. Have your opinions dropped recently? How did you go about recovering? Appreciate watching. Always. Keep generating. Keep getting better. And your YouTube success will come. See you in the following video.